Most people would start with the exterior, but this interior was simply too breathtaking to keep waiting. So today, we're doing things a little differently. Welcome to one of the most luxurious homes on wheels you'll ever see. From the premium leather seating and elegant ambient lighting to the beautifully crafted finishes, here's the bedroom. Calm, elegant, and surprisingly spacious. This feels less like a vehicle and more like a luxury hotel suite on wheels. The kitchen may be compact, but it feels premium. Clean counters, hidden storage, and a view that changes every day. This is where the journey begins. A clean, modern cockpit with wide views and full control of the home on wheels. And now, this is the beast from the outside. A massive luxury motorhome designed to look less like a vehicle and more like a private mansion on wheels. From the sleek front profile to the extended side section, every angle feels bold, futuristic, and premium. The multiple wheels, wide body, glowing lights, and smooth exterior lines give it serious road presence. But what makes it special is not just how it looks parked inside a showroom, it's how it transforms into a complete travel lifestyle. Whether it's beside a mountain lake, parked near a campfire, or cruising on an open highway, this home is built to move in style. This is luxury living without staying in one place.